Hey there Candy Crush lover, wanna save your progress, switch device and never lose a level again? You need a King account, and in this video I am going to show you how to create a King account for Candy Crush Saga. So without any delay, let's start the video. First thing first, open up Candy Crush on your mobile device. Once you are in the main menu, now head to the top right corner and tap the gear icon. That's your gateway to account greatness. In the main menu, hit my account or King account. If you are not logged in, you'll see an option to sign up with King. Type in your email, create a username and pick a password. Boom, you are one step from Candy domination. Check your inbox and hit the confirmation link. Just like that, your King account is logged and loaded. Now your progress is saved forever, even if you delete the game or change phones. And here you go, it's done. That's how you can create a King account for Candy Crush Saga. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.